So we just finished the job at Royalla. It's a new install. We come back a second time to put in some wireless keypads, a long range button back up at the house, which is about 130 meters away. We also put a new bracket on the jimmy wheel, which is absolutely awesome. So here's a wireless keypad for exit. I'll punch in the code and we should see the gate open. Beautiful. And there's another one up on the entrance because I am leaving, so we'll head out and it will automatically close behind us. There's our awesome 24 volt dual jimmy wheel with the new bracket. It is absolutely the bomb. 40 watt solar panel setup. Don't really need it, but I was feeling generous with this customer. She is absolutely awesome. Thank you.